FX, and I'm here to show you my challenge of 13 minutes to do this lace face paint on my neck and my chest area. Thank you for joining. And here is my finished look. I think it's like a punk rockish, a little gothic, a little glam. It's right in the middle of everything. I like it. So I'm starting with putting hearts on my chest area, and I'm using Tag face paint, black and black, and I'm only using black, using one brush. Well, actually I used 3 brushes, but right now I'm using a round brush. Now I'm using a small brush to do the details. And as I said before, I had 13 minutes to do this, and it's a challenge to myself, and I only had 13 minutes left on my SD card until I swipe it out or get another one. But it's been cold here lately, and I haven't been doing what I need to do. So I had 13 minutes to do this. So the um, detail is probably not the best, but it will do. And I'm going fast. And I'm just going to add lines pretty much everywhere around my chest to make it look like a lacy feel to it. Alright, didn't take long because, yeah, I'm just making lines, and so it didn't take me a long time to do this, but I wish I had at least 30 minutes to do this. If I had 30 minutes, it would be a lot more detailed and a lot cleaner than it looks right now. But it was a quick challenge to myself. And it's probably the first time I've done lace. Wait, have I done lace before? No, I haven't done any lace. So it is my first time doing lace on my chest. I never really did it on my face either. So yeah, this is my first time. Whenever I face paint, I try to do something I've never done before. Because once you've done it, it's like, oh, I've done it before, I could do it. So try to find something new, more inspiration. Right now, I'm putting little flares on the bottom, make it look more lacy. As I look at my hearts now, my hearts could be so much better, but it's alright. I didn't go anywhere. Now I'm putting more detail into the lace, little swirlies. Make a little neck flare right there, I guess. You could call it a flare. And adding some dots into the hearts for more detail. I mean, I did this in 13 minutes. I only used one color and 2 or 3 brushes. Oh well, I think it's alright. I'm gonna just pop that right on YouTube and let it be that. Adding a little white to the hearts. Why? I don't know. But it looked cool in the photo. Alright, I'm almost done. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will have 2 videos out every week. And that's me trying to be cute, but I'll get better at being cute, I guess. Thank you for watching. that's me. Hey guys, that's me. Oh, that's me too. Hi. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Have a great night.